ancients. Wisdom calls, bridging truth, bridging the stories of our people, connecting me and you. From Kemet's golden sands to Ifa's sacred paths we tread, each heart beats with the lessons of those who came ahead. In the Bakongo shadows, Muntu calls our name, a web of living spirits, no one's ever truly sane. Discipline, the thread that binds our souls in unity. The ancestors guide us gently in this sacred community. Character is greater than the crown upon our head. In the grace of our humility, every word is wisely said. Together we rise, in harmony's embrace. Fulfillment lies in caring, honoring our sacred space. From Bamaleki teachings, we learn to honor time, respect the roots that ground us as we climb toward the sublime. No power can define us, it's in each woven thread, custodians of our legacy in every word unsaid. Character is greater than the crown upon our head. In the grace of our humility, every word is wisely said. Together we rise, in harmony's embrace. Fulfillment lies in caring, honoring our sacred space. Alignment with our duties, the anchor in our song, the dance of life and spirit, where we all truly belong. Character is greater than the crown upon our head. In the grace of our humility, every word is wisely said. Together we rise, in harmony's embrace. Fulfillment lies in caring, honoring our sacred space. From the past to the present, let our hearts be ever wise. In the tapestry of spirit, true connection never dies.